Hello everyone, this is Patrick from Backpatic, here today to walk you through your first time in SoilMate and go over all the core functions. First, you just need to go to the Hosted Apps website, hostedapps.backpatic.com.au, and sign in with your username and password. All of these details should be emailed in your introductory info. Once you're signed in, your dashboard won't look quite as fancy as mine. You just need to double click on SoilMate V8. And once it opens up in just a second, you'll notice a second login prompt. No password is required here. Just confirm that your username is correct and hit OK to enter the software. And once you're into the software, there will be 7 tiles available for you. This is where all the main functions will be. Orders will be where you'll manage all your purchase orders that can just be opened up. And you'll see you have all the barcodes and testing details. Orders can also be printed and edited straight from here. To help navigate in SoilMate, you can use these tabs below as well. Help you more easily go back to the main menu if you want to keep a tab open. And then we'll go into the second tab, which is the lab results. And here are all the lab results that have been sent back from the lab. You can access the PDFs or create recommendations for them straight through here. If you want to download your test results, you can also export them and create what's called a trend analysis so that you can see how different paddocks, farms, etc. are changing over time. And then our third tab will be the recommendations. And in here will be any recommendations that have been created. And just like the orders, you can go in to edit and provide further details. This is just an example, so there's not really much detail here to go on. And then corner post. If you are linked with multiple users, this will be how you will access their database. You can go to open another user's corner post database, and there will be a list of databases here that you can select from. If you would like to get something like that configured, just contact our support team and we can get that set up for you. And then in the data import and export tab, the primary function we can do here is if you have fertilizer products that you've set up that you want to send to another agronomist or import from them, you can do it straight from here just to expedite your workflows. And then there's some other export and import functions in there as well. And then the last two will be the trading names and for management. Trading name is going to break down all of your trading names into farms and then paddocks. For example, I have this Patrick's trading name, which then has Patrick's farm underneath. And if we open that one up, we can then see all the paddocks as well. By selecting an area of the tree, you can easily add more. And it's important to note that all of your contacts are linked to the farms that they are associated with. The contacts themselves can be managed through the Management tab. And if we go over to Contacts, we can see any that have been set up. We can edit them as required and then set them to the farms as needed. Additionally, there are some functions along the top here that you can use as well. Download barcodes would be one of the most useful. In conclusion, this has been an overview of all the core functions of SoilMate. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out by phone, email, or through our online support. And if you need anything else, just let us know. Have a great day.